Let's discuss best practices for installing a 1 1/2 inch PVC expansion coupling within a 65-foot total run. The layout includes a 5-foot vertical section, a 50-foot horizontal section, and a 10-foot vertical section. Only a portion of the 50-foot horizontal run, specifically 5 feet, and the entire 10-foot vertical section are exposed to direct sunlight for approximately 5 hours per day. For optimal performance, position the expansion coupling toward the middle of the 50-foot horizontal run, approximately 25 feet from either end. This strategic placement ensures adequate expansion and contraction capability in both directions. When installing, securely mount the barrel end of the expansion coupling to a rigid surface. This prevents any unwanted movement of the barrel end. Strap the piston end of the conduit run somewhat loosely. Allow approximately 1/4 of an inch of play to accommodate expansion and contraction. Install the coupling on the end that faces away from direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause the conduit to expand prematurely, so shielding the coupling from direct exposure is beneficial. Consider these additional points. 1. Use a thermal expansion calculator to determine the potential expansion of the conduit under the given conditions. This calculation will aid in determining the precise clearance needed for the expansion coupling. 2. Ensure that the expansion coupling is rated for the expected temperature range of the environment in which it's installed. 3. Provide adequate support for the conduit along the entire 65-foot run. Use hangers and straps as needed to prevent sagging or any potential damage. 4. Apply a lubricant to the expansion coupling piston. This will ensure smooth and reliable movement. 5. Periodically inspect the expansion coupling and the conduit system for any signs of damage or excessive movement. Given that only a small portion of the horizontal run and the 10-foot vertical section are exposed to limited sunlight, the expansion coupling should be sufficient to manage the expected thermal expansion. By centering the coupling in the horizontal run and loosely strapping the piston end, expansion and contraction can be accommodated in both directions. It is still recommended to use a thermal expansion calculator to verify the needed clearance and to ensure proper installation.